Good morning, my dear students. So once again I am here, and in today's class we shall continue with the topic that we had already started in our previous class. So in our previous class we had solved two important questions from this particular topic, and we shall continue with the same topic, and I'll be solving two different questions in today's class. So let us start with the first question of today's class, that is question number 3. So what is said here in question number 3 is, what will be the output for the following program segment? So a small program segment is mentioned out here. Now int a equals to 0. Initially the value of a variable is 0. Variable b is holding a value that is 30, and variable c is holding a value that is 40. And just below this, a Java expression has been mentioned, that is a equals to b plus c plus b. So we have already learned about this kind of expression in class also. So if you remember, if you find any variable with the incrementation portion after writing the variable, this is called as postfix, and plus a, if you find this sort of expression, this is called as prefix. And there are different sort of rules to solve this kind of Java expression using the rule for postfix and prefix. So here we'll be utilizing the same rule for solving this Java expression. And after solving, what we have to find, or what we have to get as output is system.out.println. We have to find the output for a variable that is a. So let us start with this portion. So if you check this portion, before mentioning the variable that is a, what is written is int is written. So int is the return type for the variable a, small letter a. So whenever you are declaring the output, at that time you have to declare the output in which form? Whole number form, because what is given out here is int is given as the return type. So now a equals to b plus c plus b. So we know the value of b, c, which is mentioned here in this particular portion. So utilizing the same value, we have to solve the Java expression. A equals to b. What is the value of b given out here is 30 plus c. Now here c plus is mentioned. C plus means postfix, and we have to follow the rule that is given for the postfix, where the value remains same. So what is the value that is given for c variable is 40. So 30 plus 40 plus what is the value of b again is 30. So 30 plus 40 plus 30 will give you the output for variable a, which is a equals to 100. So this is how you have to write the output. Why I have written a equals to 100 is, why I have mentioned the output in number form is because the return type for variable is given out here, which is in integer form. So my dear students, this is how we have to solve this sort of problems if it comes during the examination time. So let us come to question number 4 now. What will be the output for the following program segment? Again, a small program segment is mentioned out here. int a initially is 0. So we have to find the output for variable a, whose return type again is integer only. So whenever we are declaring the output, we have to declare the output in whole number form, because the return type is mentioned out here as integer or int. B is holding a value that is 30, C is holding a value that is 40. And again, Java expression has been mentioned out here. A equals to minus b. Decrementation operator has been mentioned. We have already learned about this one. Plus means incrementation, and minus means decrementation. So whenever you find this sort of symbol, decrementation symbol, you have to decrease the value by 1. And whenever you find plus symbol, incrementation symbol, you have to increase the value by adding 1. So here decrementation value is mentioned out here. So minus b plus c plus b. So let us utilize the value that is mentioned for these variables. So b, what is the initial value of b given out here in the question is 30. So 30 minus 1 is 29 plus c plus. Again postfix has been used. So value remains same. What is the value given for variable c is 40. So 29 plus 40 plus b. What is the value that we have got for b? This is the new value that we have got for b, that is 29. So same value has to be written for the third part also. So 29. So if you add 29 plus 40 plus 29, it will give the output for variable a, which is 98. So this is the output for the variable a, which has to be written in whole number form. And why I have mentioned the output in whole number form is because the return type for variable a is already mentioned here in the question segment only, which is int, integer. So that is why whenever we are dealing with the integer form, the output that we have to declare is in number form. So I have mentioned the output of variable a in number form, that is 98. So my dear students, this is how we have to solve the Java expression using the rule, that is postfix and prefix. I have already explained you about the postfix rule and the prefix rule there in the class. So whenever you find this sort of problems, this sort of questions during the examination time, kindly solve following this sort of steps. So my dear students, in today's class I have solved 2 more questions for this particular segment, which is output based questions. And with this we have completed the chapter, and in upcoming classes we'll be starting a new chapter which is about the constructor. So till then, kindly revise whatever is mentioned here in this particular video, whatever is taught in today's class, whatever is taught in previous class. Kindly revise those things which is very much important for your exams, okay, your board exams. So kindly revise the thing. So till then, stay safe and dedicate your time in studies. Thank you.